Hello guys, my name is Satyendra Punya. I am your anchor, your teacher, your host, and I hope you are enjoying my content because every day I'm watching, every day I'm making a content, and I'm just making a good content, a very quality content. I'm not making a quantity content. I mean many content creators who are, I mean Hindi to English, and then they will write one sentence. They will translate you in English. This is how they can build their channel. But I'm not liking that. Okay, I'm making whole content in English just because you can subconsciously attach to this language. And if you have seen my dozen of videos, I have talked about every of topics. I mean, you can't say that I'm talking about only one topics and my formula is just one. I've talked about tense, verb, how to make sentence, how to deliver sentence, how you can improve your skill. Okay, because now if you really want to compete, now if you really want to win in this world, if you really want to success in this world, you have to speak a very good English speaker. You have only one option, that you really have to speak good English. Otherwise, you can't even survive. Success is a far away thing. You can't even survive if you can't speak a good language. Keep at bay. Keep at bay. It's about all the negative peoples, all the toxic people. You just telling them keep at bay. You just all them just go away, just throw away, just out of my life. This is the meaning of keep at bay. I mean all the insect. I mean you don't like insect. No one likes insect, but when insect trouble you, okay, and insect really trouble you, then what will you do? Okay, so yes, you can really understand what I'm really want to say. Keep at bay. Keep body and soul together. Keep body and soul together. Keep body and soul together. It's about you have an extra fund. Look guys, you are very smart. I'm telling you, if you're doing investing in mutual fund, SIP, in share market, in bond, in a gold, and in several bond, if you are investor, FD, okay, if you are doing this kind of investment in your life, you are the smartest people in the world. I'm telling you why. Look guys, only 1% people do investing in their life. Only 1% do people. And just that's why I'm telling you, just if you are earning 20,000, 25,000, don't think that you can't, you will always be poor. No, you can travel the world. You can sightseeing everything. You can all fulfill wish dream. If you just invest 1,000 rupees, I mean, what is 1,000 rupees? If you are earning 20,000, 25,000 in a month, and just invest 1,000 rupees in your SIP, FD, okay, and then you will get a return 10%, 12%, 10%, 12% return is confirmed, okay, in FD, SIP. So make sure you are an investor. I mean just try at least 500 rupees per month, okay, and then after 40 you can retirement. Because look guys, this world is very tough. I mean, why you always have to do like just doing work, and after 67, 65, then you are retiring, and then you are troubling everything. Don't be like hell, guys. Please, don't be like a hell. At least little difference will create a very big movement. Okay, little difference will create a very great movement. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, that's why I'm telling you, just take a little step and it will automatically create a very great step. Look guys, I'm 30 and I do mutual fund SIP and FD, my start both. Okay, and soon I know, I as soon I will grow, I will do many more invest, because it's very necessary. It's very necessary. Look guys, in 2026 you can't depend on your even your parents. You can't depend on your even your parents. How, what do you think that these your cousin, all your relative, brother, sister, are you really sick out of mind? You can't depend on your parents. That's why I'm telling you, make a content, do investment, take a little step, and it will create a very big movement. Okay, you look, you will become what you think. This is the main logo, this is the main thing. You will become what you think. Okay, keep body and soul together, keep the pot boiling. Yes, it's about you are just earning, like you can eat good thing. Okay, just eat good thing. I mean, that's why I'm telling you. Look guys, in India, I know there are thousands of problems we are facing on. First of all, a huge problem is population. I'm really think the girls who are doing this kind of thing, like in a drum, all the thing, and boys are such afraid nowadays marrying. Okay, yes, it's a create a very big difference. So I really praise all the girls who are doing this kind of things, and all the boys. I mean, just stop it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Look guys, you can't live like in a garbage, in a shit. Please understand, try to understand. Don't, if you are think these Bollywood movie, these Hollywood movie where you will show, or heroine is on the rock and hero is running and then they are hugging and true love is happening. Guys, I have seen a lot of lives ruin this life because they didn't understand the reality. They didn't understand the reality. SRK and Aishwarya Rai are getting paid off it. SRK and Kajol are getting paid off it. I really don't know who are the people who are this kind of movie, that Dilwale Duniya Le Jayenge and all that. I really don't know who is this. And that when they do marry, they think these are the trap. Reality is not like that. Reality is far beyond life. Look guys, life is a time and energy. Okay, live like yourself. See dream, because once you see dream, I'm telling you why you have to see dream. Because once you see dream, that and then you will think and you will action, that dream will automatically will make a reality. It will take 4 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 12 years. It will give you the reality. It will give you reality. So that's why I'm telling you, see dream, take action, and living like that. Not just you are just watching some Bollywood movies and then you think this is love, this is true love. No. This is hell. This is a hell. Okay? Don't think that this is love. Use your brain always. Keep the pot boiling. Keep up appearance. Yes. It's a big disease, really, really big disease. I can't even describe that how many diseases this is. Keep up appearance, show off. People are who are taking iPhone, Apple gadgets, take a car, and just to jealous of their neighbor. I mean, look at their relation. They want to jealous other, and they are taking a car with the EMI and loan, and they want to show we are rich person. You see, we are rich. I mean, they don't have a 3 time eating food properly. They don't have a fruit. They don't have a good fruit, healthy fruit, and they are taking a car, taking an iPhone, taking a car, taking a good gadgets just to show off the neighbor, relatives, their cousin. Yes, we are rich, and their cousin also are this kind of mentally disease. This is mentally diarrhea, guys. This is my mentally diarrhea. Wake up, guys, wake up. Okay? You don't have to do that. You really don't have to do this kind of thing. Okay? Don't be a show off person. If you really have, people will always. Bill Gates don't have to show off the world that what kind of watch he has. Everyone knows he has a yacht. Everyone knows it. Rich person, people who are actually rich, people who are actually billionaire, trillionaire, don't have to show off. Really don't have to show off. Who are we wearing like a normal t-shirt, and people always think this is a branded t-shirt, this is a branded pant, this is a branded shoes. People will always think like that. That's why I'm telling you, you think what you will become. You become what you think. So, please, if you are enjoying and learning and growing, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.